Mayo johala matindo kod manie diere 700 oseyudo kony kowuok e tiegruok mar ohala e bwo chenro motisni Tolni Elumelu Entrepreneurship Program. Chenrono osetieko higni 10 nyaka ne chake e kauntis 54 mantiere e Afrika. Johala 35 kuom 1,200 manowal mondo chopie tiegruok mar higani ma gin e grup mogik mabiro yudo tiegruok ma kamano wuok e pacho ka johalago biro yudo omenda maromo $5,000 mondo konygi e tayo ohandgi. Karoko Director maduong' mar United African Bank, Mary Mulili, johala 782 e sectors mopogore pacho ka oseyudo kony e tiegruok machal kama chakre higa mar 2015. Kane olando giko mar chenroni, Mulili ojiwo mine matimo ohala e pacho ka mondo or kwayo ne omenda moket thenge ne mine 3,000 e pinje mantiere e Afrika kama joma okaw ibiro chiwnegi omenda mar chako ohala kaka yo mar dhialo mine.
Countries, these beneficiaries have created over 400,000 jobs and also generated in excess of $1.2 billion in the work that they've done. And having some of them also in the room, it was interesting and very heartwarming to listen to their stories about the work that they are doing within the communities in terms of the areas that they are doing, even in some of the remote areas. If you look at Kenya, as far as Kakamega, and that is what it means to speak about impact. Also, the knowledge that they've tapped through this program is very rich, even from where we sit as a bank. One, they are entrepreneurs, and they have knowledge on how to run businesses. And we've been tapping on this even as a bank from where I sit to even engage a wider network of SMEs to spread this knowledge that they already have.
As a business owner, I had initially really exposed myself to legal risks. At the point of founding the business, I'd have the passion, maybe I don't have money, and I'd invite people who have the capital to come and run the business. And I'd actually lost businesses in the past. So going through the program helped me understand the business